removing an M.2 boot drive. Remove the top cover. Disconnect all the cables from the drive backplanes. To remove the drive gauge, remove the 4 screws to disengage the drive gauge. To remove the drive cage from the node, lift up the drive cage to remove it from the node. To remove the M.2 boot drive from the I/O module board, remove the screw that secures the M.2 drive. Lift the screw side of the M.2 drive at an angle. Pull the M.2 drive away from the connector to remove it. If necessary, remove the M.2 heatsink and the M.2 drive from the tray. To do that, use a pry tool to pry between the 4 clips of the M.2 and heatsink tray to disengage the heatsink. Lift the heatsink up to remove it from the M.2 drive and tray. Slide the M.2 drive out of the tray. If necessary, peel the thermal pad off the M.2 drive or M.2 heatsink.